Hi, welcome to Digital Go-Getter. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing 5 ways to make money online without a website. Are you tired of hearing that you need a website to start making money online? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. There are plenty of ways to earn money on the internet without having to build a website. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for some additional income streams, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 methods for making money online without a website. From affiliate marketing to sponsored content, these are all proven ways to earn money on the internet. But that's not all, I'll also show you how to get started, step by step. So, if you're ready to start making money online without a website, grab a notebook and pen, sit back and enjoy the video, stay until the end, because I have a special surprise for you. So, let's get started, and let's become a digital go-getter. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online without a website. As an affiliate marketer, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Then, you can start promoting products on social media, through email, or by creating content such as product reviews or tutorials. The key to success with affiliate marketing is finding the right products to promote and building a strong audience that trusts your recommendations. Social media marketing. Another great way to make money online without a website is through social media marketing. If you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can monetize your audience by working with brands or promoting affiliate products. You can also use social media to drive traffic to other online platforms such as Amazon or Etsy. The key to success with social media marketing is to consistently create engaging content and build a loyal following. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or Redbubble are great platforms for selling products without the need for a website. These platforms allow you to set up a shop and sell your products to a global audience. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products such as printables or stock photos. The key to success with online marketplaces is to find a niche market, create unique products, and promote your shop through social media and other online channels. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make money online without a website. It involves finding a supplier who will ship products directly to your customers. You can then sell these products without having to hold any inventory or handle any shipping. You can find dropshipping suppliers on websites like AliExpress and Oberlo, and promote your products on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or even on social media. Online services. Finally, you can make money online without a website by offering online services like graphic design, writing, or virtual assistants. By using platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even social media, you can reach customers and start offering your services without the need for a website. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online without a website. From affiliate marketing to selling online services, there are plenty of options to explore. However, while these methods can be great for making your first buck, building long-term assets is the key to creating a sustainable income stream. Creating a blog or YouTube channel, for example, can give you the platform to build a community, establish yourself as an authority, and create a long-term strategy. With a website, you can focus on driving traffic, optimizing for search engines, and growing your email list. These are all essential elements for creating a scalable and profitable online business. If you're interested in learning more about how to create a website and start affiliate marketing, I have a video on this channel that covers the basics. In it, I go over the steps you need to take to get started, as well as some tips and tricks for success. So be sure to check it out if you're serious about making money online. Thank you for watching. In future videos I will explain in greater detail how you can get started in affiliate marketing, and if you want me to talk about a specific topic, do not hesitate to leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Go-Getter and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And remember, don't just make money online, make a difference. Thanks for watching.